Hi class! Today I'm going to take you through our reader for the week. This week we are reviewing all digraphs, so I'm going to read each word in the sentence and focus on chunking and blending the last word. Follow along to see if you can identify the phonics rules. The title of our reader is What Did the Chick Say? Before we begin, here are some sight words in the story. H-A-V-E, so H-A-V-E is the sight word have. H-E-R-E is the sight word here. Y-O-U-R is the sight word your. D-O-N''T is the word don't. Let's begin. He is in a. So this word, I'm going to look at it and I see the beginning digraph is SH. That says sh. We see one vowel, which is the vowel E, and since it's only one vowel, it would make the short sound. Eh. So sh, eh. And right here, you see two L's. Would it make sense if I said sh, eh, o? No. So the sound is just so you would say sh, l, shell. He is in a shell, and the picture matches. The next page. I have, this word, I see the beginning digraph th that says th. And you could actually add this R to it, which would make thir. And then you see double E. And remember, friends, what does Miss Ebony always says? Double E says E. It would be a long E. So you'd hear thir E. I have 3 eggs. And there are 3 eggs in the picture. Flip to the next page. Here is a. And right here, I see a lot of phonics rules in this 5-letter word. I see WH digraph that says w, but then I also see 2 vowels. I see an E at the end and then the I. Remember, friends, if we see an E at the end, it's going to be silent, which makes this vowel long. So what would that vowel say? Good, I. So let's sound it out with the long vowel I, silent E. W-I-T. Great. Here is a white lamb. We see a lamb in the picture. Flip it to the next page. In this word, I see the CH digraph that says ch. And then I see only one vowel, so I know it's going to be short. So that short I says I, ch, I. And look at this. We see a C and K at the end. Would it make sense if I sounded it out ch, I, k, k? No. Again, just like those double L's, it's only going to make that one k sound. So it's going to say ch, I, k. This chick can, I only see one vowel again. It'll be short, op, hop. This chick can hop. And we see the chick is on one foot. Flip to the next page. I like your, remember, PH, it says, I like your photo. Good. In the last page in the reader, don't forget this sight word, don't. Let's try and sound this one out. This has a blend in it, CR. Who remembers what the CR blend says? Cur, at, k. Remember, this CK, it only makes the k sound. You don't hear the k, k. You only need to say the first k sound. Don't crack your egg. You can see she's holding that egg and it's pretty big. Good job, friends. Again, if you don't know a word in the sentence, use the phonics rules you already know. We've gone through short vowels. We've done long vowel silent E. We've done blends and digraphs. Look at the entire word and then chunk and blend it together.